Hey fellow YouTubers and RVers, I have a slight problem today with my toilet, so let's get into it. So my last RV trip, I noticed that there was water leaking from here and slowly filling the bowl. So I figured, okay, well the valve must be bad. Let's figure out how to replace it. So I know it's a domestic model, and I looked, and on the back it looked like it was a model 300. So I ordered the parts from Amazon. So in the box, and this cost $12.50. We have a new clamp and some screws and some screens and the new valve. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your water supply, open any low point valves to drain pressure out of your system. We can unscrew the supply line. And there's something you might want to put under there because we're going to get some leakage. We got that connected, and then up here we have a clamp. Try to unclamp that with a pair of diagonal cutters. Kind of slide this around here where you can see it. This will probably be the hardest part of the whole project. Got that loose and pull that out. Now there is a tab here and here we have to loosen up, and a screw or two back here, so let's find what they look like. Let's see with the mirror. There's one screw down here in the bottom. Let me see if I can get a better look for you. Let's see it. Under here we'll get a screwdriver and loosen that. One thing you will need is a short screwdriver, and having a mirror certainly helps. I'm not going to bore you with this struggle. I'm just going to work on getting that out and be right back. So we have two tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top. I'm not sure how to get them out at the same time. One tab pushed in. Well, that was a struggle, but came out. Some of these kits on Amazon will come with some Teflon tape. Mine didn't, and I didn't really care since I have a bunch of it. So what I'll do is just tear off a 6-inch piece or so and wrap this on in a clockwise direction. because it's a little easier to do this step before it's installed. Alright, so this should just snap in. And we'll put a screw down at the bottom. And we'll put this one here for now. Make sure you have your clamp on there. So I'll put that screw in and we'll finish connecting. Well, the screw that was originally in here took a flathead, and what came with it was Phillips. But the important thing to remember is you will need a short screwdriver to get at that fitting. So I apologize for my hand being in the way, but kind of cramped quarters. Reattach the supply line. And now we'll connect some water and check for leaks. So I am hooked up to household water, which has a higher pressure than a lot of campsites. And that sprays quite a bit. And you can see there is a slow drip and it has stopped. So that means it was definitely the valve. Well, that'll wrap up this video on a minor repair to an RV. Only 3 years old, already a valve needed to be replaced. But you know, you can do it. It doesn't take a lot of tools, it doesn't take a lot of know-how. If you have a tight space and you're, you know, a pretty big person, that could be a problem too. So, I don't know, I figure I've saved at least $100 by doing this myself, and you can too. So, if you liked the video, if you found it at all helpful, or if you have any comments, drop them below. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next how-to video. Thanks for stopping by.